Hi, we're going to be drawing some apples today and doing a watercolor apple painting. So we're going to be, we first have to draw the apples, and one thing to think about is that apples are not spheres. They're not perfectly round. So when you're looking at your apple, notice the irregularities to the shape. Notice that they are not completely round. There will be some areas where they're more flat or more lumpy. And make sure that when you draw your apple, you include those irregularities, because that's what makes it look like an apple and not like a ball. So for the apple drawing, you don't have to have every detail of the apples, but you should have the general sort of shape and form and of the outline of the apple. I'm going to be drawing two apples here side by side. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on every detail. I'm just going to try to get some of the general details of the apple. As you can see, these are more apple shaped. They're not really ball shaped. A little bit lumpy and irregular like apples are supposed to be. Apples are always going to look a lot more like apples if you're actually looking at a real apple, which I'm doing right now. I'm looking at a real apple. If you want your apples to look like real apples, you should be looking at a real apple. All right, I'm going to pause right here and I'll come right back and we're going to start doing our paint.